And that has been going on today. Guess what it is? You guess. There was a tornado in my freaking neighborhood. Well, we're so lucky that we hid in the basement and nothing got damaged. National Weather Service, bye!